Heyo, boss, and welcome back. We hope everybody's having a fun and festive fall and Halloween season so far this year. Here at the Cooking Corner, we sure are. Little Chef has his pumpkin ready. He's having a great fall season, and we got a great recipe for you. So we're going to slow things down today. Take out the slow cookers. This is a garlic Parmesan chicken dish. Great for kind of like a weekend. Put it in, let the slow cooker do all the work, and it's very delicious, and we think you're going to really enjoy it. Again, we're going to slow things down today, so let's get cooking. Before we begin, Chef just wants to share with you, he picked this up at the store. He definitely says grab it. It's a salt, pepper, garlic mix. It's kind of like that AP rub that a lot of chefs use to prep food, and we love it. So the first thing Chef did was he grabbed some bone-in skin-on chicken thighs. He rinsed them under cold water, then he dried them. He put the AP rub on top and a little bit of paprika. Then he just rinsed off some red potatoes that he bought, and he cut them in halves or quarters, depending on how large that potato was. After they were all cut up, he put them in a large bowl, along with a little bit of oil. Again, some of that AP rub that we showed you earlier, and some paprika. And then just a little bit of minced garlic. Go ahead and give this a good stir. After that, go ahead and place this right in your crock pot. And now we're going to go and get the chicken prepped. So Chef's using a cast iron. He put a little oil in there, but you can use a skillet if you don't have cast iron. Once the oil's heated up, go ahead and place those skin side down. We just want to sear the chicken. We're not cooking it. So 2 minutes, skin side down, let that sear. Afterwards, go ahead and check. Looks great. So nice and seared. We're going to place these skin side up right on top of that bed of potatoes. And now here's what it looks like. Chef said you could do either on high for about 4 hours or low for about 6 to 8 if you want, checking it. Chef did this on high for about 4 hours. After about 4 hours, this is what it looks like. They look delicious. Potatoes are nice. Chicken looks great. Chef's going to plate this up. So he's going to go ahead and get the potatoes down first as a nice little bed. And then afterwards, just go ahead and plate that chicken right on top. Once your chicken's been placed, go ahead and sprinkle some shredded Parmesan cheese on top, and then a little bit of parsley. And there you have it. Garlic chicken parm. If you like those garlic parm wings you can get, this is delicious. If you want to use a bone-in chicken breast, you can do that as well. But again, very simple. And don't forget, if you like what we're doing here, we'd love for you to stick around and hit that subscribe button. And again, great weekend dish. So we hope you're having a great fall. Hope you're having fun. Hope you're being safe. And don't forget, everybody, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.